Hey, fella. Man, what are you doing out here, bro?
Oh, you know, bro. How good is New Zealand, man?
Yeah, man. You liking it so far?
Get given the keys to all these rotors, meeting people like yourself, man. Just pure rotor enthusiast. I'm, man, having the time of my life.
Hey, how are the pies over here, bro?
The pies, I haven't tried the pies.
What was your first car, bro?
It wasn't a rotor, it was a Kt.2. And then after that, I got a Capella, and that had a 12A in it. And yeah, I guess that's what, started it all off for me. And then I guess here we are today, really, after I probably had, I reckon, maybe 30 rotaries.
What one's your favourite so far, bro?
My favourite car would have to be the King R1 car. That's a special car, man. I first saw that car at Summernats, and as soon as I saw it, it was just one of those cars where you see it and it's like, no matter what, I'll do everything I can to own it. And then I came across it and yeah, I snapped it up real fast, bro.